Out of eyes tryna put me on a t-shirt. Shorty want me so bad, do your knees hurt? Yeah, I'm counting paper guap, it might be mine.
Yo, what's good, Paleo Squad? It's Anthony here, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video, we're actually going to be, this is going to probably be the craziest video that you guys see today. We're actually going to be showing you guys clips from yesterday. I actually filmed this, I think the other day. It was in Santa Cruz, somewhere at a beach, the other day, and it was so crazy. It was so much fun. We did worship there. This video, it's gonna be like a worship video that I'm actually gonna be showing you guys, like a little trip or something like that. So hope you guys do enjoy the video. If you guys haven't go subscribe or hit that like button yet, make sure you guys go ahead and click that subscribe button, click notifications so you guys will be the first person to like and subscribe, and don't miss an upload and don't miss a live stream wherever I go live and wherever I upload. And then one last thing before we start the video, if you guys haven't, go follow my social medias. All of them will be on top of the screen right here. Make sure you go drop a follow on them, learn about my personal life and stuff. What I do on this channel is let you already know. And guys, let's get right into the video because I know you guys don't like the long intros. So let's get right into the video, and I hope you guys do enjoy it and enjoy the video. Yo, say what's up. Marcos, say what's up.
Go away. Marcos. Your name. You already got one? No.
Stuff. We're right here. You ready? Say what's up.
What's good? What's good?
Wait, hold on. Avery, what games do you play? I've been playing Witcher 3.
Okay, from a couple hours later, we made it to the beach. We got Marcos in the background. It's super dark over here where we are, so
Show 'em the sunset.
I'll try to film
In the middle.
right here.
See that?
So yeah, guys, this video is gonna drop soon. So make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, go follow Marcos on Instagram. Link in the description. Go follow Keone.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
And I'll see you guys in later. Alright guys, we're here with Zach.
What's up, y'all?
Yeah, it's kind of dark here. It took us like 2 hours to get here.
Yeah, something like that.
2 hours. I'm tired. And
We're about to go
On the beach.
yeah,
tonight, have a bonfire.
yeah. So we'll give you guys a preview when we get down there. So peace. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up the video for this video. Hope you guys do enjoy the video. If you guys did, make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. And until that, it's Anthony and Marcos Italian, and I'm out. Peace. Alright everyone, hope you guys did enjoy the video today. If you guys did, make sure you smash the like, subscribe if you're new to the channel. And guys, let you guys know one more thing. Make sure you go follow Marcos' Instagram. Link in the description. Make sure you go follow his Instagram and show him some support. And I want to say thanks to him for recording my outro. And letting you guys know right now, I want to deeply apologize about not recording that much out there because my phone was... I was recording some footage on my phone and it came out a little bit blurry, so I really apologize if it was too dark and stuff. But currently that's that for the video. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys did, smash the like, subscribe, and until next time, I'm out. Peace.